everyone, and welcome back to Homes Inspiration Studio, the channel where you could find best ideas for your house design exteriors. Before we begin, if you love seeing world-class homes and getting the latest design secrets, please hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and share this video with your fellow design enthusiasts. It truly helps our studio grow. If you have ever closed your eyes and imagined the sound of the ocean as your morning alarm, you are in the right place. Today, we are diving deep into the world of mansion beach house design, a realm where architectural ambition meets the raw beauty of the coastline. Imagine for a moment that the first thing you hear every morning isn't a jarring alarm clock, but the rhythmic, low-frequency pulse of the Atlantic. You open your eyes, and there are no walls, only a vast, shimmering blue horizon framed by floor-to-ceiling glass. This is the world of the mansion beach house. It is more than just luxury real estate. It is a lifestyle where the architecture itself becomes a love letter to the ocean. Architects today aren't building barriers against the sea, they are building frames for it. Using heavy-duty structural steel and specialized, impact-resistant glass, these homes allow the exterior world to flood the interior, turning every room into a front-row seat for nature's greatest show. But why do we crave this life? Beyond the prestige of a coastal zip code, there is a deep, biological benefit to this narrative. Scientists call it the blue mind, the meditative state our brains enter when we are near water. Living in a mansion beach house is a full-body reset. The sheer volume of space allows for a layout that prioritizes air circulation, reducing allergens and filling your home with oxygen-rich sea mist. It's a place where you don't just host parties, you curate experiences. Whether it's a quiet morning meditation on a cantilevered deck or a sunset gala for 50, the home breathes with you, providing a sense of freedom that a landlocked estate simply cannot match. It is the ultimate legacy asset, a private resort, and a wellness sanctuary all in one. To make a mansion truly belong on the sand, the exterior must tell a story of harmony. You want the structure to look as if it were carved out of the coast by the wind itself. We achieve this by mastering the balance of textures, the cold, smooth touch of white stucco or architectural concrete paired with the warm, weathered grain of ipe wood or cedar cladding. Lighting plays the role of the narrator once the sun dips below the horizon, not with harsh floodlights, but with soft, amber glows tucked into the eaves and uplights that turn palm trees into living sculptures. The goal is resort elegance, where the entrance features a water element that mimics the ocean's song and the landscaping consists of salt-hardy succulents that stay vibrant despite the harsh salt air. The character of your beach mansion defines your daily story, and the styles available in 2026 are more diverse than ever. If you are a romantic at heart, the modern Hamptons style offers a narrative of timeless, nautical stability. Think crisp white gables, navy accents, and wide porches. For the futurist, tropical modernism uses daring concrete slabs and hidden glass tracks to create a home that feels like a high-tech oasis nestled in a jungle. Or perhaps you prefer Mediterranean revival, where the story is told through arched colonnades and terracotta paths that make you feel like you've been transported to the Italian Riviera. Each style is a different way to say the same thing. You have found your place on the horizon, and the view is perfect. You've heard the benefits, now let's see the beauty in action. Here are the top 10 best modern beach mansion house design ideas to spark your next big project. One, the nautical sensation. This home is a masterclass in the modern Hamptons aesthetic. It tells the story of classic luxury, with its white facade and black window frame standing sharp against the blue sky. The multi-level balconies invite you to step out and breathe, while the manicured green lawn creates a soft transition between the hard edges of the architecture and the cool water of the foreground pool. 2. The palm lined gateway symmetry is the hero of this design. 2 soaring palm trees act as sentinels, guarding a perfectly balanced entrance. The dark, louvered shutters offer a tropical, colonial vibe that feels both historic and modern. It's an estate that values the grand arrival, using a tiered staircase to elevate the home above the sand. 3. The cliffside glass sentinel for those who want to live on the edge. This design is the ultimate dream. Massive cantilevered floors jet out over the coastline, creating a floating sensation. The floor-to-ceiling glass walls turn the interior into a panoramic theater, making the ocean the only decor you'll ever need. 4. The golden hour estate. When the sun begins to set, this home truly comes alive. The warm interior glow spills out onto a grand, paved driveway, welcoming guests into a world of cedar-lined eaves and stone pillars. It's a design that prioritizes the welcome, blending the security of a fortress with the warmth of a hearth. 5. The terraced oasis. This mansion solves the challenge of a sloped lot with absolute grace. A series of stone-clad terraces lead the eye downward, featuring integrated planters and a hidden staircase that feels like a secret garden. The infinity pool at the base serves as a mirror, reflecting the high-end architecture above. 6. The minimalist beach pavilion. Sometimes luxury is found in simplicity. This gabled wooden glass retreat opens its entire front face to the shore. The interior features L-shaped lounge seating that looks directly out onto the sand, proving that even a smaller, mansion footprint can deliver a world-class coastal experience. 7. The 3-story shoreline villa stacking luxury upon luxury. This vertical design utilizes glass railings and white fabric shades to create a light, airy presence. The dark wood staircase on the exterior provides a beautiful vertical rhythm, leading to a rooftop deck designed for stargazing and sea breeze dining. 8. The infinite tropical retreat. This home blurs the line between land and sea perfectly. The ground floor is a sprawling, open pavilion where the dining area sits just inches from an infinity-edged pool. With a living green roof and stone-clad walls, it feels like a natural extension of the island itself. 9. The cedar-clad ocean view. Warmth meets modernism in this striking design. The use of vertical cedar planks gives the home a rhythmic, organic texture that softens its massive scale. Large glass balconies wrap around every corner, ensuring that no matter which room you're in, the ocean is your constant companion. 10. The modern hearth sanctuary centering the home around a massive outdoor concrete fireplace. This design is perfect for those chilly coastal evenings. The L-shaped layout protects the central courtyard from the wind, while the warm interior lighting makes the entire structure glow like a lantern against the darkening beach. Building a mansion on the beach is the ultimate architectural challenge, but as we've seen today, the rewards are so deep. It's about more than just a house. It's about claiming your piece of the horizon and building a legacy of light, water, and peace. Whether you're inspired by the sharp lines of modern glass or the warm embrace of a farmhouse ranch, the beach is waiting for your story to begin. If these homes stirred something in your soul, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Homes Inspiration Studio. We are on a mission to bring you the world's most breathtaking designs every single week. Which of our top 10 was your favorite? Comment the view below and let us know. Until next time, stay inspired and keep dreaming of the deep blue.